Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number 1. Today we are going to start our new series which is a visual composer. So before starting this series, I consider that you have the basic knowledge of WordPress. How can you create your pages, post, menus and each and everything related with WordPress, and you have the basic knowledge of WooCommerce. If you are not familiar with WooCommerce, so I consider that you have the basic knowledge of WordPress. Okay, so before starting, first of all, go to your google.com, type Visual Composer. So before starting, the Visual Composer is a page builder, and it's a plugin. It's a WordPress plugin. It's a premium plugin. You can buy this plugin in $46, I think $45 or $46 from the Theme Forest or from anywhere. Okay, so millions of websites nowadays using Visual Composer. Why? Because they are saving a lot of time by using Visual Composer. So you can create your WordPress theme, or you can create your HTML content or HTML elements using WordPress by drag and drop. Okay, we will discuss each and everything related with Visual Composer, but for now you have to familiar with what is Visual Composer. So this is Visual Composer. Click on this. So this is the official website of the Visual Composer. So as you can see, visualcomposer.io. Create your WordPress website and layout fast and easy. Of course, they have beautiful layouts. I totally agree. Drag and drop website editor. Basically, it's an editor. You can drag and drop. You can create any HTML page by drag and drop. And of course, they have a rich content elements. They have a lot of elements available. What you need, just need to pick a particular element and you can just use it. Okay, so professionally template. Okay, they have a lot of templates available. What you just need to grab your template. And easy to use interface. I totally agree with them because the interface is very user friendly. So we will discuss about the interface, don't worry about it. For any WordPress theme, you can download or you can purchase your Visual Composer, and you can create or you can embed with any theme. And they have front end editor and tree view. Basically, the Visual Composer comes with two flavor: front end layout and back end layout. I want to say that front end editor and back end editor. You can create your page or you can create your layout from the back end side, and you can also create your layout from the front end side. So it's totally depend upon you. So responsive design, of course, I totally agree with them, and they have a lot of functionality in the Visual Composer plugin. So it's a premium plugin. You can download Visual Composer plugin. Okay, where is the theme forest? So WordPress theme forest. So this is the theme forest. Okay, download Visual Composer. Start. Oh, okay, in theme forest. So as you can see, WP Bakery, the organization is WP Bakery, page builder for WordPress, formerly Visual Composer, $46. So regular license is $46. You can download, as you can see, $55, $40. It's totally depend upon you. But for now, Visual Composer is a page builder first of all, and you can create your HTML content by drag and drop. And if you are planning to buy a premium theme, so Visual Composer always comes with a lot of themes. Make sure a lot of page builder available in the market with the name of Visual Composer, King's Composer, but the Visual Composer is popular. So for now, theme forest. And water. Okay, so you can for suppose I want to e-commerce. I want an e-commerce template. So this is the e-commerce template, WordPress, and here you can check out this e-commerce. What you need, just need to Visual Composer. So as you can see, a Visual Composer. So a lot of themes available. You can buy this theme, $39. The Visual Composer comes with this theme. So as you can see, the Visual Composer, drag and drop, the Visual Composer comes with this theme. So you can also buy this theme. It's totally depend upon. I'm just telling you that nowadays mostly themes are using the Visual Composer. So as you can see, the Visual Composer 5.1.x, the many versions available in the Visual Composer. The current version I think is a 5.1 or 5.2. So for now, this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to install the premium theme with Visual Composer, so you can easily understand how can you embed your theme, and how can you use your Visual Composer. So thank you for watching.